Hey everyone, Bhavishya here from CoinDCX, and this is Trading with CoinDCX 101. This video will help you understand how to send or withdraw your cryptocurrencies from CoinDCX to any other wallet or exchange. We will be taking an example of Binance in this video, but the core concept remains the same for most wallets and exchanges. You will have to find an option of receive or deposit on your wallet or exchange. Let's say you want to withdraw Tron on Binance. You would head over to Funds page on Binance. Search for the coin that you want to deposit. We will search for Tron here for the sake of this example. Then click on Deposit button beside it. You would see a screen like this. This is the address of your Tron wallet on Binance. You will have to copy this address and paste it into the destination address field in CoinDCX. For that, you will have to go to the portfolio page of CoinDCX, look for the coin that you want to send or withdraw, click on the send button, paste the Tron's wallet address that you copied from Binance. Now just enter the number of coins that you want to send. You can also send all using this button here. Let's try sending 100 Trons. You can see how much Tron you will receive after the withdrawal fees charged on the transaction. Once you press send, you will receive OTP on your phone. Enter that here for the first verification. Then you will get another confirmation mail on the mail ID that you registered with CoinDCX. Verify the transaction by checking the amount and the address and click on Confirm Withdrawal Request button. Once you do that, your request would be initiated and you would see something like this on Binance in a while. Once these confirmations are completed, your Binance wallet will be credited with the coins that you transferred. You can now follow the similar process for withdrawal from CoinDCX to most exchanges and wallets. We hope that this video helped you with the withdrawal process on CoinDCX. In the next video, we will get into the basics of placing orders on CoinDCX and trading to make gains. See you in the next.